Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a course with Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your browser. This is where you'll build the foundation for your course content. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it feels easier to navigate as you move through the process. Once you're on the Notebooklm homepage, go to the top right corner and click Create New. This starts a fresh notebook, which will act as the workspace for your course material. Think of this notebook as the central hub where your source content, summaries, and generated outputs all come together. Next, paste your sample YouTube videos into the notebook. This step is important because these videos provide the source material Notebooklm will use to help generate course assets. Make sure the videos you add are relevant to the topic you want to teach, since the quality and focus of your inputs will directly shape the quality of the course output. After adding the videos, look for the AI's sample suggestion and click it to make the prompt more specific. This helps guide Notebooklm toward a clearer understanding of what you want. The more specific the direction, the more useful and organized the results tend to be. If the suggestion aligns with your goal, using it can save time and improve the structure of your course materials. From there, click Audio Overview at the top. This feature can help turn your source material into a spoken-style summary, which is useful if you want a more accessible or presentation-friendly version of the content. It's also a helpful way to quickly review the material and hear how the topic flows as a lesson. Next, click Slide Deck. This allows Notebooklm to organize the information into a presentation format. For course creation, this is especially helpful because it can give you a visual structure for your lesson, making it easier to see how topics are grouped and how the learning sequence might unfold. After that, click Video Overview at the top right. This step helps generate a video-style summary or overview based on your content. It's a useful option if you want to transform your research and references into a more engaging course format that feels ready for a multimedia delivery. By moving through these tools in order, you can use the same source material to create multiple learning formats, including audio, slides, and video. This makes Notebooklm a practical option for building course content efficiently while keeping everything centered around one topic and one workspace. That's how to create a course with Notebooklm.